Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Dami J, and in today's video we're going to do another DIY project. I've been doing a Candyland theme for my Christmas tree. I'm so excited for Christmas this year, and so I have a lot of extra time, so I'm doing a lot of DIY projects. If you guys haven't seen any of my previous videos, I've already made cute little cupcake ornaments and I've made marshmallow lollipop ornaments. You guys should definitely check those videos out. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made a snowy frosted gumball machine ornament. And so this is what it looks like. And it has like little fake snow hanging here from the top. And then it has like the little gumballs in it. It's definitely really fun to put together all my little Christmas ornaments and like see them all come together. I can't wait to show you guys what my Christmas tree looks like when I finish everything. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I made this gumball machine ornament, then stay tuned and keep watching. Here is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need one of these DIY Christmas ornaments, and I got these at Dollar Tree. So there's different sizes. There's like smaller ones, medium ones, and I got the largest ones that were in there. And then you're also gonna need this fake snow. I also got this at Dollar Tree as well, and it's a pretty good amount, so you're not even gonna need more than that. And then you're gonna need these sundae cups. If you haven't seen my cupcake video, I used the exact same sundae cups. You can find these in the party section at Dollar Tree. And then you're gonna need a hot glue gun. You're gonna need some glitter paint. This is just some glitter acrylic craft paint. I like this one because it's got like extra glittery silver sparkles to it. And then you're gonna need some gumball refills. I also got these at Dollar Tree. And a Sharpie, as well as a paintbrush. And then you're gonna need like a paint palette, or you can use like a paper plate, but you're gonna need something to put the paint on. So first you're going to take your paint and you're going to start painting on the outside of your ornament. You're going to go for a really irregular shape here. So almost as if you're putting flower petals on the top with the opening as the center part as a flower. That's like the best way to describe it. Now I'm doing this in thin layers, but I'm going to build the layers up on top of each other. I wouldn't go all the way around yet. Just do like a small section, and then we're going to start working on just this, and then we'll go from there. Now, once you're done with that, you're just going to set this over to the side, and then you're just going to open up your fake snow. You want to do this pretty quickly so that your paint doesn't dry. And now we're just going to take that fake snow and we're going to place it on that wet layer that we just painted onto the ornament. And you're just going to sprinkle it on there and make sure that you coat the entire thing. You really want to be generous with the snow that you're putting on here so that you get as much that will stick to it as possible. After you've gotten like a really thick layer already on top, you're just going to take your finger and just kind of like press it in so that it actually sticks to it. And then you're just going to shake off the excess snow onto a piece of paper or a paper plate and save that because you're going to be able to use that later on. And you're just going to continue this all the way around. The whole idea is to make this a gumball machine that has snow sitting on top of it. So you're just going to paint it in a way that you would imagine that snow that was sitting on top of a gumball machine would look like. Now you don't want this to look uniform, so each time you make like a petal, you want to do it in a different size than the one that was previous to it. And then you're just going to repeat this all the way through. Make sure you're using that excess snow that you had on your paper plate or your piece of paper. That will save you some time from grabbing the bag and trying to pour it out again. But just sprinkle that on there, press it down, and then shake off the excess and keep moving. Once you're satisfied with your snowy layer, we are going to start working on the base. So you're going to grab one of those sundae cups and you're going to flip it upside down. Now grab your glue gun and you're going to start gluing on the base part of your sundae cup. Do it all the way around the circular base and then also do it on the outer rim as well. We want to make sure that this is going to be a really secure base and we want to make sure that it actually sticks very well. So don't be afraid to use a lot of glue on this. The more the better, in all honesty. Now grab your frosted ornament and you're going to stick it right onto the hot glue base, having the opening on the very top. You're going to press that down for a few seconds just to make sure that it actually adheres to the glue. And then you're going to take your gumball refills and you're going to place them inside of your little ornament. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna hold your hand on when I say this, but you do not want to fill your gumball machine up all the way. Since we're using actual gumballs here, this is going to be a pretty heavy ornament. If you filled it up all the way, the support of the ornament hook itself is not going to be strong enough to hold it up. So right now, I'm just filling mine up to be about 1/3. And that's a good enough amount to where you can tell that there's gumballs in there, but you don't want to fill it up all the way because it's not going to work. If you do want to make full gumball machines, I suggest getting the smaller ornaments, but then you're going to have to get smaller cups as your base. And that's not what we're doing in this tutorial. We are doing the large version. So we have the large ornaments and we have large sundae cups. So for this exact one that we're making here in the video, I would fill it up to about 1/3. At most, you can do 1/2. But if you do any more than that, you're not going to be able to hold it up. Trust me, I've tried it. As soon as I put it up on my tree, it instantly fell and I had gumballs falling all over the place. So I wouldn't recommend that. But back to the tutorial. So I'm just going to grab a Sharpie and I'm going to draw what would appear to be a dispenser for the gumball machine. And I'm just going to draw this simple turntable and a little entryway where the little gumballs would actually fall out. And then I'm just going to color that in with the Sharpie. Now you could grab some black acrylic paint and paint this part in, because I didn't really like the way it looked with a Sharpie, but that's up to your personal preference. But this is what the final product looked like, this frosted gumball machine. The snowy effect looks really cute on it. It's giving Winter Wonderland vibes, and I'm totally here for it, which is what I was going for in the first place. And since you guys made it to the end of the video, here is what my final tree looked like with all of my ornaments. So if you guys haven't seen my cupcake ornament video or my lollipop ornament video, go ahead and check those videos out. But I am so happy with how this turned out. Like, this is the first time that my Christmas tree actually turned out the way that I envisioned it to. And I just love it. That wraps it up for today's video. If you guys like DIY projects or if you like art stuff in general, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And if you guys enjoy this gumball machine DIY project, or if you guys are gonna do this yourself, let me know in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.